Hello, hello. This is Venetia Alexander Marshall. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button at the bottom and also click the bell. So if you want to know when I am uploading here on YouTube, please click the bell so you can get all of those notifications. I know you see me back again with this hair. This time I'm wearing a pair of glasses. So we're going to talk about the glasses that I am wearing today. I told y'all, and I have said time and time again, my eyes are bad. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. My eyes are really, really bad. So I'm going to talk about these glasses. These glasses actually came from a company called Firmoo. They're spelled Firmoo, Firmoo.com. They reached out to me and I was more than happy to talk about these glasses. So thank you so much, Firmoo, for reaching out to me. So we're going to talk about these glasses. For some reason, I'm addicted to glasses that kind of look like, I don't know, it kind of look um, like the Batgirl glasses. I don't know. I'm just attracted to Catwoman glasses. I don't know. I'm just attracted to glasses like these. And with Firmoo.com, all you do is you go on their website. If you're looking for some fashion glasses, you can get fashion glasses without a prescription. But if you have a prescription, you can put in your prescription information in the on their website, and now along with picking out your frames that you would like. You pay for your prescription, and they send you your glasses. It's just that simple. This is a pair that I picked out. As you can see, I don't know. Again, I have this addiction to these little Catwoman glasses. I call them Catwoman glasses. They have all kinds of frames, glasses, and everything that you're looking for. Even the really hip glasses that a lot of these teenagers and college students are wearing, the big circle glasses, they have those as well. And when you first get started on their website, you can get glasses free. But they have glasses, their frames range from like $23.99 and above. They are very, very affordable compared to the frames I've paid for. The frames I've paid for, one frame was $60, but with my prescription, because I wear bifocals and I have different eyes, my glasses really, with my prescription, can range from the lowest I paid for my glasses was $167. The most I've paid was $500 because I wear bifocals. So I have one good eye. Yeah, I have one good eye. So going on Firmoo's website, I really love their selection. They have a wide selection of glasses. I am going to put their website in the bottom of the description box along with a coupon code. There is a coupon code for this, and I'm going to put that coupon code for you guys below so you can take advantage of Firmoo.com and you can take advantage of all of the glasses and their wide range of frames that they offer. And when I mean these are a large variety, I kid you not, it is a very large variety. The frames that I am wearing right now, they don't have a prescription on it. Look, see me on here. They don't have a prescription in them. You don't have to get them with the prescription if you don't want. It is your choice. If you don't want the prescription, you don't have to get them. If you do, you can fill out the information on the website and they will send you the glasses with your prescription of the glasses. These frames here are $23.99, so you cannot beat the price of these. Again, these are really cute, really dainty. My first pair of glasses were similar to these, and they broke. And I was so upset. Not only did they break, but when I tried to put them on, as we get older, our glasses, our eyes get a little, they start telling on us. So I had to get another prescription, but I was already upset because the frames had broken and I was a little upset. And they were very similar to these, and I just love glasses like these. Ended up getting a pair of box frames, but they're okay. They, match my face, but I'm just really attracted to these. And Firmoo.com definitely offer glasses like that. They even offer the box glasses These are the prescription ones that I have. If you're looking for something like that, yeah, mine has some scratches in it. If you're looking for something like this, you can get these. And these, I paid almost $300 for these. So yeah, I have bad eyes. So again, if you're looking for fashionable glasses and if you have a prescription and you need a prescription, Firmoo.com is the way to go. So please get you a pair. And again, I will link a coupon code in the bottom of the description box. With that being said, this is Venetia Alexander Marshall. I hope everybody have a great day. Take care. Bye-bye.